it's Siobhan. Here are some tips and tricks for completing the UniSA Plus Award from some current and past participants.
Best advice I would give students is when you do volunteering, do what you love. In that way, you don't feel like taking the burden of completing the volunteering. For say, I worked at the Smith family as a learning club tutor, so interacting with kids and teaching them is something I like. There is no easy step to be a leader, so you need to build yourself, so make the most of it.
I would say that very first tip is just take it easy. Make it slow as you progress because you'll learn and you'll get there.
Top tip or trick for people thinking about signing up to UniSA Plus is do it. Just do it. There's just so much on offer, and all through my uni journey I've always said yes. I've said yes to things that I didn't even think I would even like, and you know, it's just opened so many doors for me.
My biggest tip is to be strategic about what you're actually doing. So at the beginning of the program, set some goals for yourself, reflect on those aspects of the program, and you will feel great once you achieve those goals at the end of the program.
I would say my one piece of advice for students entering the program is to say yes to as many opportunities that come your way. It's kind of easy to say no, but saying yes, you don't know where it will lead you.
Here are some other useful tips. Choose your leadership and enterprise activities early, as these can often be the hardest ones to complete. Enter your activities into Career Hub the way you'd like them displayed on your activity record. Make sure to check your spelling and details. Complete the full requirements before you finish your final exams, so you're not trying to rush through everything at once. Check Career Hub regularly for volunteering opportunities, workshops and other eligible activities, as it's regularly updated.